Guys, welcome back. Hope all are doing good. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. It's been a while. I've put any videos here, so I thought next few videos I'll teach you all Java. It will be kind of a crash course, you can say. I won't be going into detail, but hopefully that would be sufficient if you're a newbie to learn Java. So we'll be learning Java. So in this video, what we'll be seeing is what is Java. So it will be all about what is Java and why learn Java. So Java, we all know it's a programming language, of course. It's a programming language and it's the most popular programming language. That's the reason I've chosen Java. Python is also popular, but Java is, they are offering a lot of companies are offering jobs in Java. So, as part of this course, a Java crash course, you can say, I'll also teach you all the different logics for different programs. We'll be coding as well and seeing the output for the most popular programs that I know usually asked during the interviews. That will be very helpful in cracking the interviews as well. So, this particular it is not just for Java. This logic will be universally applied for any programming language. It's the same logic or same algo which you'll be using for other programming language as well. So what is Java? Java is a programming language. Why learn Java? So usually what happens is we have a computer and computer doesn't understand our language, whatever we are speaking, the English or any native language of yours. It doesn't understand that. So it understands only its own language. So it understands only machine language. So what is machine language? Machine language is nothing but zeros and ones. So it just understands this particular language. Computer doesn't understand any other language. So if you say computer do something in your own language, it won't understand. It has to be converted into its own language, and then only it can, understand that. For that reason, we have different programming languages. One such programming language is Java. What Java does, so we write some code here, and so we write some code here, and that when we compile that or run that program, it will be compiled internally. That compiled language is something which is in zeros and ones or into or it will be a machine language. So which is then sent to the computer, and computer processes those messages whatever you have asked for, and it gives the output. So that's how any programming language works. Same thing here. So suppose if I say a statement like how are you, you understand this. Now if I say something like you are how, will you understand this? No. Same way, we cannot simply scribble something as part of coding and ask the computer to compile and run that. Now that computer cannot do that. Any programming language has its own rules, or you can say syntax, which has to be followed. So even Java has syntax, so we have to follow that. So only then the computer can read that and compile that and then give the output, or else it will be throwing some error. So you may ask like why not learn everything at once, and the whole Java crash course will be done here. It's not possible, we are humans and we cannot grasp everything at once. Everything should be step by step. So in this crash course also I'll be teaching each and every thing separately, so that the videos are shorter and you don't waste much time, and you'll learn every layer of Java very clearly. and we'll also be doing a program specific to those whatever layers we are learning. If it is if else, then we'll be doing coding on that. If it is for loop, we'll be doing coding on that. Same thing for others as well. While then there is scanners, everything we'll be doing separately so that we are clear about the topics. So if you ask me what we should grasp here, what to grasp, is it the Java or the logic, or you can say coding? Then I would say it is coding which you need to learn more than Java, which will be useful for any programming language. It's not just specific to, it won't be specific to Java then, because all the programming language has common algos. Whatever algorithm, logics, or coding what you do, it will be common. Only the syntax might be different. For Java, it will be different. For C++, it will be different. So you'll have to concentrate on the logic building what you're doing here. In that way, you'll be mastering the any languages, not just Java. So that's about so that's about Java, or should I say what is Java. So in the next video, I will show you all how to install IDE. um, we'll be using VS Code. So I'll also show you all how to install and set up the SJDK or anything in Eclipse as well. Also we will no if not if you don't want to use this VS Code or Eclipse, you can directly use any online compilers as well. So which way it will be easier to learn as well, because you don't have any IntelliSense there. In that way you won't be able to use any shortcuts. You'll have to type everything. So the more you type, the more you learn. So you need to keep typing and then learn. Or should I say keep typing to perfect. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Hope you all understood. So let's catch again next video. I hope this video is useful. So watch the next video to learn about how to install IDE, or how to set up JDK in VS Code and Eclipse, or how to do it in online compilers as well, and run our first program as well there. So yeah, let me add that as well. Program also will be learning this. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope this was useful. I don't want to increase the length of this video, so hope this was useful. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you, bye. So if you liked it, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Thank you so much. Bye.